How to check Instagram Reel watch history. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to check Reel watch history on Instagram. Now open up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now I'll just go ahead and watch two reels. The first one I will like it, and the second one I will not like it. So I'll tap on this reel section. So here is reel. I watch this one and I like it like this. So I'll scroll to down. So I watched this one and I did not like this one. So now I'll just go ahead and show you the history of these two reels that I watch. So go to your profile like this. Go to this. After you open your profile like this, now go to this menu. After you come to the menu like this, now go to this your activity. Under your activity like this, now here it says interaction. So if you scroll down like this, now all you have to do now, tap on this likes button. So from this likes, now scroll swipe to tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this all content type, this one. Go and choose reel. So after you choose reel from this section, now you can be able to see the history of the reel. So as you can see now, here is now the reel that I watch and I like it. Here is this one. So if I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now I can't find that reel that I watched and I did not like it. So in order for you to see a reel that you watch on Instagram, you must like the Instagram reel, or you must just make some comment on the Instagram reel before it can be added into your Instagram reel watch history. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.